Okay, welcome back, guys. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. I also want you guys to know that I have already set up a Patreon account, so you can actually go there, check it. Right, I'm going to give you an instant update. I'll also be sharing with you, my own personal trade for the day and also trade for the week. So subscribe to it. So I'm going to give you an update. And if you think you are not getting any value or you think is not helpful for you, then you can go ahead and cancel the subscription. So I will be pinning the picture in the comment section below. So make sure you subscribe. So I'm going to be giving it to you. Now let's take a look at NASDAQ. Natural gas for the next day, which is for the 27th. So the day before yesterday, I did analysis on natural gas, right? I said we would have a bearish move, which you can go to confirm. On the 24th, we actually had that bearish move. On the 25th, which was yesterday, I also did this same analysis that we would have a bearish move. So natural gas gave us that bearish move. And now today, which is for the 26th, we also had that bearish move. So we would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day. In order to do that, first we would start with the trend. We can see that this trend is actually clearly a downtrend move. Lower lows, lower highs, like they always say, trade with the trend and not against the trend. So since this price is still trading below, all what we would want to do is look for a setup to go ahead and sell. So let's start from here. There was a drop, right? And then we had a pullback that came to hit our 10 period simple moving average. Now we're having a drop. So one thing I will be watching out for on natural gas is that natural gas should give us a bearish move for the next day. But before we actually get that bearish move, have it in mind that this 4-hour time frame, we will go to it now, is giving us a pullback. So the best time to actually go ahead and sell is go on your 4-hour time frame. So maybe if you should subscribe, I'm going to give you guys an update on that. So this 4-hour time frame is actually giving us a pullback. So once this pullback is over, then go ahead and sell. So this is the level that I'll be watching out for on this natural gas. At least we should have a pullback to this same level before we kind of get that drop. And if in case price does not do that way for the next day, if in case price drops for the next day, if in case price just go perish, because there is a rejection around this level, if in case price just drop for the next day and close bearish, then have it in mind that on Monday definitely price will give us a pullback to test this level. Surely have that in mind. So we are going to be having a pullback to this level of to a level of 3.123. So that is what I want you guys to watch out for. A pullback will hit that level of 3.123. But it just depends on when that pullback will play out. If the pullback does not play out tomorrow, which is for the 27th, then have it in mind that once markets opens on Monday, the price will actually hit this pullback. By the way, it will even be a huge gap because natural gas usually play out that way. Once markets close for some time and it opens, there used to be kind of like a gap opening. So by that time, we believe there will be gap opening at this level on natural gas before we go ahead and sell. So have it in mind, natural gas, we are still on a bearish move and more bearish moves to come. So check the comment section below to actually get my Patreon.